there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 320i X-Drive Saloon here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting with the outside of the vehicle, of course you will see it has the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. We've gone for the satin front splitter and the gloss black kidney grills. We've also fitted the stunning 20-inch 405M replica alloys onto this vehicle. The wheels themselves are all brand new with brand new tyres. This 320i also benefits from having the BMW LED headlamps. Down the side we've gone for the side vinyls, sidebars and performance decals. It has the privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the beautiful black Dakota leather with the exclusive cream stitching and cream piping. We have a multifunction M Sport steering wheel. The front seats are also heated, and we'll get into the interior options a little bit further on in just a moment. Round to the rear of the car where we have a gloss black rear boot spoiler. We also have the satin rear performance diffuser, X-Drive badging. Particularly rare to find a 320i in with the X-Drive. It is a very nice unique feature to have. We've also got the LED rear lights. So just come back around to unlock all the doors. There we go. Boot space on the 3 Series saloons is very, very good. Plenty of space in there. Very nice colour combination of the mineral grey and the black of the interior colour. We've also got the electric lumbar adjustment on both front seats. We've got grand piano black trim inserts on the door cards and on the dashboard. Okay, so I'll get inside now and I'll just talk you through some of the interior options that we have on this particular car. So as I've already mentioned, we do have the heated leather front seats. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox combined with that superb 4-wheel drive X-Drive system. We have rear parking sensors. We have BMW's business navigation and media. So as you can see, I've put up the sat nav screen. We have Bluetooth communications and media, DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Cruise control with speed limiter, voice recognition, volume controls for stereo and other inputs. The vehicle itself has covered just over 50,000 miles, and this vehicle does have full BMW service history, which I can show you on the vehicle iDrive. It's not due an engine oil change for 9,000 miles, and if I go into the service history, as you can see there, you will see all the stamps done at BMW, right from the first service to the most recent. So as I say, it's not due an engine oil change for 9,000 miles. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish the walk around video of the BMW 320i X-Drive Saloon. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you found the video useful. For any further information, please do give us a call, text or WhatsApp message. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you very soon. Thank you and goodbye.